Yo, what's up? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage, bringing you the GMAC. What we have here is a GMC Sierra Z71 four-wheel drive crew cab. This is my well, y'all recognize the my aunt's Lexus GX. She's out in her expedition. This is her husband's car, my uncle by marriage, I guess you could say. They maintain a home here near the Atlanta area, but their business is in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and they maintain a home there. And he stays there running the business most of the time, which is diving. They do diving certification, search and rescue. Plus they take people, you know, I don't necessarily agree with that right there, but oh well. But they take people on diving trips all across the world. Anyway, this is his truck. This is his daily machine. He's got some Cooper. Man, they look like they were some all-terrains. And they look, I bet they make a lot of noise. We're about to find out when we drive this thing. They just look a little chopped up along the edges. It's got a 2-inch, I believe, leveling kit on it. Let's see what year this thing is. I think it's an 11. Let's see. Not there. Oh, wrong spot, Joe. Get your GM stuff right here, dude. Yeah, it's an 11. I thought it was. Holy cow. It's used. I mean, he uses it. I mean, he goes hunting, he carries his lab with him. But as you can see, it's still pretty clean. And the outside's straight. No dents, dings, damage. Let's see. I think it's got the 5.3. I'm sure that's what it is. V8 Weathertech. Let's see what she's got. Let's see. Yep, 5.3. Good shape. Pretty clean under here. Looks good. I think this thing's just been dead reliable. Bulletproof. I don't know if he's ever done a thing to it. Looks like he may have put some Bill Steins on it. Maybe that was done when the leveling kit was put on. Let's take it for a drive. Cold start. Ooh, battery's about dead. Anybody want to check on that? Park assist blocked. Okay. See how many miles this thing has on it. 94,380. That's not bad for an 11. He did not buy this new. My aunt actually, between her and I, tracked it down, I believe, via, nice 10 on the windows, via, this was back, God, did we find it on Craigslist? I really can't remember if we found it on Craigslist or what. But it was about 6 or 8 months old. Had a couple of thousand miles on it. The guy that owned it, him and his wife had adopted some children, a slew of children. And he needed to sell it. So my aunt made him a deal he couldn't refuse. It's you know, it's pretty well equipped. I mean, it's got power pedals. It's 4-wheel drive. Leather, power seats, all that good stuff. This may be, no, that's not a 6-passenger. Got the nice WeatherTech mats down there. Just your standard kind of, I don't even know if this thing has Bluetooth. Let's see. Yeah, it does. It has Bluetooth. Automatic climate control. So this is a pretty well-equipped Sierra. And man, it runs, drives really good. Just try and get out of the sun a little bit. Yeah, those Cooper tires are a little noisy, but you can't feel them. They ride fairly decent. We'll get this thing up to speed a little bit and see what she feels like. Let's get some climate control going. Look at my shaky ass hands. Yeah, buddy. Power pedals. Oh yeah. Good. Cold AC. Here it is, November in Georgia, and we got 72 degrees. So it's actually a nice day out, but with the sun out, it gets a little warm. Yep, you can hear those tires. They got a rumble. Man, look at that. Look at that huge, I don't know if you can see that huge rock chip at the windshield. Can you even see it? I can't. Not cracked, just a big chunk. About 3/4 throttle. You know, she drives straight and smooth, but those tires are obnoxiously loud. I'll be right back with a 0 to 60. Now that is a smooth engine. Wow. So quiet too. I can barely hear the electric fans. Yeah, this is a good running truck. Man, you can't beat these. 94,000 miles. This thing's got hundreds of thousands of miles left in it. Can't beat a GM 5.3, man. Yeah, she runs great. So this 5.3 is connected to the 6-speed automatic, shifts smooth. If you go back in my older videos, you'll find a video of my father's 2017 Sierra with the same engine, Z71. And I think his is a 10-speed automatic. Or maybe it's an 8-speed. I can't really remember. It's a lot of damn gears. 6 is good. There we go. Give me first. Wobble, 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 wobble. Roar, 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 roar. Yeah, man, these tires would be out of here. Get a set of Michelins put on this baby. Or I don't know, I like the look of really all good-looking all-terrain tires. I would just go up maybe a size on these. And get maybe some BF Goodrich or something. I'm sure, I mean, these Coopers aren't bad. They're pretty smooth, actually, but they're just noisy as hell. Not as noisy as me. Aha. Yeah, so pretty clean old truck. 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 with Z71. Four-wheel drive. Louisiana truck. This is a dry truck, man. Don't get no drier than Baton Rouge. I can safely say this truck has never been in a snowflake. Safely say. Good looking tint. Just a great looking truck overall. But I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch y'all next time. Peace. Ellie, are you YouTube worthy? Maggie. 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 Come here. Sit. Sit. Maggie, sit. Come here. Sit. Oh, you're a good girl. Come here. Look at me. Yeah, you're a good girl. Ellie. Ellie. Are you a good girl? Oh, you want to go inside, don't you? I see that tail a going. Huh? You a sweet girl? Sweet girls that want to go in the house. Y'all got this whole freaking backyard. Y'all want to go in the house. Damn.